my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you some fun ways of how I clean my bedroom. I did do a video like this in the past if you remember, but I have since deleted it because it is embarrassing. So I got a new video for you. So I hope you enjoy. Please remember to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Also, my eBay, Instagram, Twitter, and all that stuff is down below. And if you like this cleaning video, go ahead and check out my other cleaning videos on my channel. So yeah, let's get started. I'm going to expose myself, you guys. Currently looking at the poster of Bon Jovi on my door, but I'm going to show you that the kawaii room isn't always clean and sparkly. Here it is. I'm going to expose myself. Dun 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 dun. So yes, it is definitely a mess, and I'm going to show you guys how to clean it today. So yeah, here is how to make cleaning your room fun. Let's get started. Now that I opened up the windows and there's light in this room now, I'm going to be making my bed, like so. First step, clean up all the things off the floor, which is easier said than done. Yes. So one way to have fun while cleaning is to turn on some groovy music, like so. Look at this little twin stars blanket. It's so cute. I love it. It's so fluffy. Yes, I still have some of my pillow pets. Don't judge me. They're very cute. It's a pillow. It's a pet. It's a pillow pet. Wee. It's a Karila Kuma kitty. I also still have my Webkins. Does anybody else still have their Webkins? They're so cute. Vintage thrift store bunny. 1 paca. 2 paca. 3 alpaca. And this one I'm supposed to go here and mess something up. Oh, there. She is supposed to go over here. Yes, and he is supposed to go over here. There, they look adorable. We're missing something. Oh my gosh, the most important thing. Let me get it. Under the antique chair. Da, 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 da. It's a unicorn. Come on, let's put her on the bed. Da, 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 da. So yeah, and I'm going to pick up the other books and things on the floor. Like, it's super cute. Go ahead and pick up any other things off the floor, like clothes, shoes, handbags, whatnot. So yeah, just clean up the floor, play some groovy music while doing so, and hopefully it should be fun. Third step to making cleaning your room fun is to wipe down the mirrors, but to pretend you're doing that one TikTok. Wipe it down, yeah. Oh my god, I've turned into a unicorn. Quick, I gotta edit myself as a unicorn now. Look at how dusty this little mirror is. I'm gonna give it a clean. I love this little mirror. There, now it's kind of cleaner. If you'd like to see a video where I went ahead and dusted this whole vanity and all its trinkets, that's up in the card thing. So yeah, go check that out. Ooh, this is a groovy angle. Kind of busy, but groovy. Tip 4 to making cleaning your room fun. Vacuum, but try not to step on the parts of the floor that you've already vacuumed. If I fall, we will see. Here we go. I got the vacuum. Okay, let's get vacuuming. Ready? Try not to step on the places where I vacuumed. And here I am trying to play the game where you don't step where you vacuumed, and it was just really weird, the rest of the footage of me just stepping around my carpet and vacuuming, so I edited most of it out. But then I went ahead and, after failing at that game, vacuumed my floor. I connected my camera to the vacuum so you get a point of view shot. Point of view, see? I'm learning stuff in college. And it came out really cool, so yeah. I forgot to turn on my pony lights, and that is a problem. Hold on, let me turn them on. Da 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 da! So stinking cute! And here's my room after cleaning. So as you and me both know, cleaning isn't really that fun, but it is important, especially to keep your surrounding spaces clean and healthy, and especially if you collect cute things too, because they need some TLC. So yeah. I hope you liked some of these cute little tips and tricks I gave you guys. Please remember to hit that subscribe button down below. My eBay, my Instagram, Twitter, P.O. Box, all down below in the description box. And I will see you guys later. Bye! Is there somebody under here? Is there somebody under the fall blanket? Is there? It's Mishka. Wow. Okay, back under the blanket you go.